aspect is there. Shall I? Otherwise, shall we complete the assignment? Shall we complete the assignment? Okay. I have given multiple things to work out. Okay. 16th August. Copying DB table records of Oracle DB2. MySQL DB software. Okay. SWE is not allowed about Oracle DB2 MySQL database software. Yeah, our basic discussion is interacting with multiple database softwares. I think I have shared Google Classroom link to everyone. Did I share the Google Classroom link to everyone? Yeah. Can you paste that one once? Can you paste that one once? Okay. In one JDBC application. Yeah, I got it. Now not required. I think this is dispatch Google Classroom link only now, boss. Right. In one JDBC application, we can create multiple JDBC connection objects. Okay, statement objects. Okay, result set objects. Use cases. Use case 1. If bank 1 acquires bank 2, then the account holder information of bank 1 should be copied to bank 1 should be copied to bank. Right, boss. Guys, Google Classroom link is not working. You log in with your Gmail account, definitely it works. You log in with your Gmail account, then it works, my dear. That is the basic common sense, my dear. When you try to get it, it's working. Class not found exception is coming up. How class not found exception will come, Ra Babu? Yeah, look at this. I already logged in. Advanced Java 4 p.m. It's there na. Advanced Java 4 p.m. is there na. Coming or not coming? Yeah, here material is there. Classroom material is also there, right? No class code, nothing. You just follow this URL, submit username, password, you will get it. Got it, guys? Can anyone give invitation link at least? If possible, that invitation link you send them. Invitation link you share, guys. Other day I have given invitation link na. At least use these guys, people. Yeah. What is use case 2, guys? Use case 2. use case 2. Transfer money operation between two banks of transfer money operation between two banks of between two banks, right? Right. Guys. Now next one, write a JDBC application to copy product TB table details. This is our application, Rabab. Oracle to MySQL, I want to copy. Oracle to MySQL, I would like to copy. This is Oracle database software, guys. This is Oracle database software, guys. Here is my product DB table. Here is my product DB table. Yeah. Here is my PID, PName, price quantity. PID, PName, price quantity. Superbox. Tell me. 101 Raja price. Okay. Raja is not a product. Table price 9,000. Quantity is 10. 102 Ramesh price 8,000. Price 10. Got it? Price 8,010. Here is my JDBC application. Oh, Ramesh is not a product of line. Okay, let's make Ramesh as a chair, guys. Let's make Ramesh as chair here. Tell me, guys. JDBC application. Okay, guys. Understanding my statement, guys. Use case means the scenario where it will be used in real-time projects. The scenario where the real-time projects will be utilizing use case, where this concept will be utilized, where this concept will be utilized in English, Babu. Right now, if a bank one acquires, Bani Prasad Mangaras, what is your problem? You know, you don't know the meaning of acquires. If one bank purchases other bank, if one bank is sold out to another bank, a best example is what? Okay, recently what happened? Kotak Mahindra has acquired Inguvaisya Bank, right? Kotak Mahindra has acquired. First basic English meaning, Ra Babu. Kotak Mahindra Bank has acquired ING Vaisya Bank, Ingu Vaisya Bank, Vaisya Bank. Then what happened? The account holder information of one bank to another bank we should transfer or not? My dear Corona batch, acquire meaning if you means purchasing, occupying. I acquired this land. Okay, Axis Bank has acquired Citibank, right? Twitter is acquired by Elon Musk. WhatsApp is acquired by Facebook, right? Now all of them come under Meta company, right now, boss? MySQL database software. Here, what is the DB table? Product DB table, right? What is the DB table here? Product DB table here. Yeah. Next, what is there? PID, PNAME, price, quantity. PID, PNAME, price, quantity. Okay. Now these records should be copied here or not? Yeah, I'll say Corona batch only, Babu. Right. Okay. Copy the records. Copy the records. Yes or no, na? Copy the records. Now, listen. Now my application should interact with more than one database software or not? Definitely my application should interact with more than one database software. What do you say, guys? Possibility is there or not there? Requirement is there or not there? Definitely my application should interact with more than one database software. Is that clear, guys? That's it, guys. This is my Oracle database software. This is my MySQL database software. Copy the records. Now listen carefully. Listen. Okay. By executing select star from product on Oracle database software only for one time, we can get all the records from DB table. All the records from DB table at once. All the records from DB table at once. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. So here we need to execute the select SQL query. Select SQL query only for one time without any input values. Without any input values. For this, use simple statement object. What object, guys? Use simple statement object. Yeah, we need to think about using simple statement object or not. Definitely. Okay. So here simple statement object, Rabab. To get the data from Oracle database software, simple statement object is sufficient or not? Yes, sufficient. Okay, guys. Now listen. After getting bunch of records from Oracle database software, we need to insert those records in product table of MySQL. But suppose you get 10 records. Can you insert all 10 records at a time by using single insert query execution? No. We need to use insert query for multiple times. Using one insert query, how many records we can insert at a time? Only one record we can insert at a time, right? If you want to insert more and more records, so we need to execute insert query for multiple times or not? We need to execute insert SQL query for more times or not? I want reply. Okay, guys. Now tell me here. After executing, okay, after getting bunch of records from Oracle DB table, we need to insert them in MySQL DB table. Okay, by executing DB table one by one, by executing insert SQL query for multiple times. Okay, multiple time with different input values. Okay, for this we need to use what, guys? JDBC prepared statement object. We got a situation to use both simple statement and prepared statement object in a single application or not? We got a situation to use both simple statement and prepared statement object in a single application or not? I hope you thoroughly enjoyed that part, guys. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed that part, guys. I want reply. Everyone getting my point, guys? Come on. Oracle database software, MySQL database software. Here is the story. Got it, guys? Here is the story, guys. Comfortable, my dear? Got the clarity? So, like this, we have to use both things in single application. So shall we start the application development? Step number 1. Step number 1. Keep product DB table in Oracle database software ready with records. Oracle database software ready with records. In Oracle database software, we have to keep the DB table ready with records. Okay, boss. Let's see. Other day we have SQL developer na, boss. Other day we got SQL developer. Here is my connection one, guys. DB tables. Okay. Product DB table. Data. We have 2 records here, na, boss. We have 2 records here, right? We are ready with this. Here is my product DB table. DB table in Oracle. Next. Keep product DB table in MySQL database software. Either with no records or with empty. Records. Either with no records or with empty records. That means are with few records. Are with records. or with records. But make sure that same 101, 102 ID there. Okay. Once again, sir, hold how to copy the screen, to take the screenshot. Okay. To hold the screenshot, Windows button plus, that is called snipper tool. Whatever tool you get, that is called snipper tool. Shift plus yes. Shift plus yes. Okay, gives snipper tool. Gives snipper tool. You can copy how much you want. Simply gives snipper tool. This simply gives snipper tool. Keep product DB table in MySQL database software with no records or with records. Okay, guys. I think in MySQL we have MySQL workbench now, boss. In MySQL we have MySQL workbench. We have MySQL workbench. Anywhere goes, no problem. Tables, product is there. Select rows. Yeah, here is what? 1010 is the 1010 is the table. Okay. I'm not making sure that 101, 102 is not there. 101, 102 is not there. Why not there? Or if that is there, that will be a problem now, boss. That's why. Because unique constraint violation problem will come. That's the reason. I'm making sure that that is not available. Say refresh. Say refresh. Okay. Changes are taken, Babu. That's not an issue. But somewhere we should get apply okay, na? Somewhere we should get apply okay. When I say refresh, right side, where is that right side? Pending changes, commit and roll back. Where can I see that? Where can I see that? Acha, is there. Got it. Okay, we must have that apply okay. Then only we can changes become permanent. Then only the changes become permanent. Otherwise, changes does not become permanent. Select those guys. Okay, some records are there. Okay. I'm making sure that same thing. Ready. Now listen. Step number 3. Write a JDBC application completing the job. Write a JDBC application completing the job. Okay. Copying records from 1 DB table of copying records 1 DB table of one database software to another DB table of another database, another DB table of another database. Shall we start doing that work, guys? Okay, boss. Tell me here how to do that work. Right click class. We develop from the scratch level, my dear. We try to develop from the scratch level. Okay, na? Fine. Next one. Transfer DB table records. Otherwise, transfer records from Oracle to MySQL test. Oracle to MySQL test. Oracle to MySQL test. Okay. Oracle to MySQL test. Here is our main method. Here is our main method. Here is our main method. Tell me next one, guys. Okay. Tell me here, what is this? Transfer records from Oracle to MySQL test, guys. Okay. Public static wide main. Public static wide main. Yeah. Are there any inputs to read, boss? No. Because everything is there, right? Main method shortcut. That means you are not doing practicals, my dear. Already I have given PSVM plus control plus space gives public static wide main. Gives public static wide main. Comfortable, guys? Gives public static wide main. Transfer records from Oracle to MySQL test.java. Now listen. Try with resource now. Try open close, guys. Here is my what? Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon @localhost colon x. What is the username, guys? System. What is the password, guys? Manage. What is the password, guys? Manage. After that, what is the next story, guys? Yeah, this is Oracle connection, Raghav. Connection, Oracle connection. Connection, MySQL connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Tell me. JDBC colon MySQL colon. What is that? NTAJ 415 DB1. NTAJ 415 DB1. Root. Username root. Password is root. Okay, guys. Next one. Statement ST is equal to Varacon dot create statement. Prepared statement PS is equal to prepared statement PS is equal to MySQL con dot prepared statement of. Generally we prefer writing queries at the top, na boss. We generally prefer writing queries at the top, right? Yeah, let's see, guys. Private. Okay, now listen. Private static final string. Private static final string. Insert underscore product underscore query. Insert underscore product underscore query. Acha, Bani Prasad, how many classes you missed, ra? Why final? Why final? Refer previous class notes once. Dirty material. Okay. Product values. How many question marks, guys? 4. Okay, guys. Insert into product underscore query. This is with respect to MySQL. Right now, boss. Next. Private static final string. Private static final string. Next one. private static final string, archill underscore, select underscore core, archill underscore select underscore core. Tell me this. Select star from, not student, select star from product. Select star from product. Here we have to pass that insert query now, boss. Tell me, my dear. Yeah. We need to pass that insert query parameter. What do you say? Control plus shift plus O. Okay. End of the try with resource. Catch Babu. SQL exception SC. SC dot print stack. Next, catch exception E. E dot print stack. E dot print stack. End of the main method, end of the class. All are normal rubber. Okay, guys. Print stack trace will give exception related details elaborate. Now, execute select SQL query in Oracle database software. Execute the select SQL query in Oracle database software. Tell me. If ST not equal to null, you will get a result set object. But listen, but I want to have a result set object with auto close feature. So auto close feature means what should I do, guys? What should I do, guys? Come on. What should I do? Auto close feature means what should I do? Nested try with resource we have to take now, boss. Result set RS is equal to st dot execute query. St dot execute query. St dot execute query. Tell me, guys. It's a Oracle select query, MySQL select query. It's a Oracle select query. This is a try one. This is a try two. This is a try one. This is a try two. Super na boss. Got it? Okay. Now process the result set and also inserts the record to records to what is that? MySQL database software. If R is not equal to null and PS not equal to null. Why? To get the records from Oracle database table, you have to process result set object, right? We have to process result set object. To get the to insert the record into MySQL database software, we need to work with prepared statement object. After all, prepared statement object is pointing to what? Insert SQL query. After all, prepared statement object is pointing to what? Insert SQL query. Right now, boss. Now tell me here. While rs dot next. While rs dot next. Come on, guys. While rs dot next. MySQL database software. Okay, guys. While rs dot next. While rs dot next. Each iteration we will get one record now, boss. In each iteration, get each record from Oracle DB table record. Get each record from Oracle DB table record. Into ID is equal to rs dot getInt of 1. Name is equal to rs dot getString of 2. Okay. Next, float quantity is equal to, okay. Right, guys. Float quantity is equal to name. ID also we should get now, boss. ID we got it. Name we got it. Next, price. Okay. Float price is equal to rs dot get float of 3. Float rate is equal to, not rate, quantity is equal to rs dot get float of 4. Yeah, get each record from Oracle DB table. Oracle DB table. Next, set the above values to insert SQL query param values. Insert SQL query param values. Got it, guys? Okay. PS dot set int of PS dot set int of 1 comma ID. PS dot set string of 2 comma name. Okay. PS dot tell me next one. Set to float 3 comma price. 3 comma price. 3 comma price. PS dot set to float of 4 comma quantity. What comma quantity, guys? 4 comma quantity. Super, guys. Execute the set the above insert SQL query param values to insert the record to MySQL DB table. Next one, guys. Execute the query. Into result is equal to PS dot execute update. Process the result. If result double equal to 0, what is that, guys? If there is no need of writing if result. Okay, fine, boss. If you write also not an issue. Record not inserted. Else record inserted. Record insert. Super na, boss. Record insert. This is the value. Tell me here what is there. Sys out. Okay. Records are copied. records are copied from Oracle DB table to MySQL DB table. Oracle DB table to MySQL DB. Confirmation is placed now, boss. End of the while loop, end of the if condition, try one. For both tries, we can write common catch. Understanding my statement? And if you want to know how many records are copied, very simple. If you want to know how many records are copied, very simple, Rabot. Int count is equal to 0. Okay. At the end of each process, count plus plus. At the end of each process, count plus plus. Okay. Here, count. Here what? Count. Number of records are copied from Oracle database software to MySQL database. Understanding my statement, guys? Easy. Okay, now how many records are there in my Oracle, guys? 2 records. Here, how many records are there in MySQL, guys? 1 record. Here, the count in MySQL, the count should be incremented to 3 or not. In MySQL, the count should be incremented to 3 or not. Come on. Okay. NTAJ 415 is not there now. Logical database name is 414 now. 414. Right click, run as Java application. 2 number of records are copied. 2 time record inserted message came. Here refresh. 3 records are coming or not. Easy. So we got a situation to use both simple statement object, prepared statement object in a single application or not. Okay, guys. In a single application or not. Come on. Say next. In a single application, we got a requirement to use both simple statement object and in single application, we got the requirement. Yes, guys. DB tables. Okay, output window, output. Here is my output, Rabau. Done, boss. You're getting a message there or not? Yeah. Now, next concept is very, very important, Babu. Before explaining the practicals concept, I will explain one thing. When you join in Naresh IT, your registration number is dynamically generated or you have chosen? Registration number is dynamically generated or you have chosen? When you join in the company, right? When you join in the company, employee ID will be generated dynamically or you will choose one. When you book an online ticket ID, seat number you will choose, but ticket ID will be generated dynamically or you will choose? Dynamically. My next discussion is, whenever I insert record in any database, how to generate these primary key column values dynamically. How to generate PK column values dynamically. Understanding my statement? This is our requirement. People say sequence and other things, but a lot of background preparation is there for that. Listen carefully. This knowledge is definitely useful in the practical implementation. Okay, now listen. Okay. unique key, tell me, primary key, not null key, foreign key, and etc. are physical keys are constraints. Keys are constraints. That means they can be applied. They can be applied in on DB table at various levels. Understanding my statement? They can be applied on table, DB tables at various levels. Now listen. Candidate key, natural key. Next, surrogate key, and etc. are logical constraints, and etc. are logical constraints, are keys. That means, okay, they will be there as a concept or theory, but no practicality for them. Understanding my statement? Are a lot of only concept wise we'll think that. We'll think about them as a concept. No real practicality for it. So shall we understand candidate key, guys? Candidate key column. Next one. The columns in DB table. That maintain unique values and can access unique values and used to access the records of DB table. To access the records of DB table is called. Are you understanding my statement, guys? No, they are no way. They are logical keys. These keys are common in all database software. To access the records, understanding my statement, to access the records of DB table is called candidate key card. Candidate key card. Are MLA candidate? MLA candidate is possibility of getting MLA ticket is more, right? MP candidate. Okay. For PM candidate, CA key column. Okay. Candidate key column. This is my DB. P name, P address. Okay. Next, mobile number, right? Array, email ID. Next, PID, P name, P address, ADDRS. Date of birth, date of joining, Okay, these many are there, guys. These many are there. Tell me unique values, right? PID maintains unique values. Come on, my dear. Got the clarity or not? Understanding my statement, guys? Person underscore info DB table. This is my candidate key. This is candidate key. This is candidate key. Tell me candidate key. All these are happening or not happening? Come on, guys. Come on. Are you with me? PID here, mobile number here, email ID here, PAN number here, passport number here. Got the clarity, guys? Okay. You understood what is? Array. The column in DB table that maintains unique values. That maintains unique values. Unique values, and those values can be used to identify the records. Identify the records is called candidate key. Tell me, guys, is it logical key or physical key? Logical key. Only theoretically it will be there. Physically, we are going to apply that. Physically, we are going to apply that. Array, this one. These statements with respect to all database softwares, guys. These are not statements with respect to Oracle or MySQL. With respect to all database software. With respect to all database software, this statement is given. This statement is given with respect to all database software. Okay. Got the clarity, my dear? This is candidate key column, Ramo. This is seriously, literally what, guys? Candidate key column. Now listen carefully. First of all, tell me, guys, 1 DB table can have only one PK column, primary key column. You know that now? Primary key column. Can we take 2-3 primary key columns in one table? No, not possible, right now, boss. Okay, now tell me, natural key column, guys. Natural key column. Yeah. Basically, it's a candidate key column, guy, boss. It's a candidate key column whose values contain outside business world business meaning. Outside business world business meaning and expected from end users and will be changed because of outside business world policies are called natural key columns. They are called natural key column. Mobile number is a natural key column. Why? Tomorrow Modi said 10 digits are not sufficient. We should have it 12 digits in the phone number. If government take the decision, so definitely 12 digit number, phone number will come or not. Okay. Modi felt that in our PAN number, IND should be there. In our passport number, IND should be there, right? So tomorrow onwards, IND will join in our PAN number and passport number. That's the problem with Modi, na? He may take any decision anytime, right? He may take any decision anytime. He may take any decision anytime without having any thinking pros and cons, right? Har ghar ka tiranga. Demonetization. Clapping on the day of Corona. Modi gives little hint, our people make sangama. Okay. Especially that Corona making sound outside the balcony. Since Modi said, come and do sound, do clapping from the balconies. But our people came to streets and gone for rallies also, right? Gone for rallies also. Go Corona, go Corona. And fine, guys. Okay, let it be worse. Natural key column. The candidate key column. Okay, whose values are having business meaning. Whose values are having business meaning. Okay. Whose values are having business meaning. Right now, boss? Okay. Next. Expected from end users. Okay. Expected from end users. And will be changed based on business policies of and will be changed business policies of the outside world is called natural key column. Is called natural key column. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, guys. Everyone got the clarity? Is called natural key column. Natural key column. Naturally, that is array. Why it is named natural? Naturally, it is unique value, na? Aadhaar number, PAN number, mobile number, passport number. These are naturally unique values, right? Okay. Yeah. Example, guys. Mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, tell me, passport number, and etc. These column values are naturally, what guys? These column values are naturally unique values. Naturally unique values. Right now, was naturally unique values. So they are called natural key columns. They are simply literally called as what, guys? Natural key columns are not surrogate key columns. Arey, what is surrogacy, Moss? Recently, the wife of Shah Rukh Khan has given birth to one baby boy, a baby girl. Baby boy, right? But did she got pregnancy? No. No. She has taken support of other lady She has taken support of other lady. Okay. And pregnancy has come, right? So that is nothing but surrogacy mother or not? Surrogacy pregnancy, surrogacy mother, taking taking stomach on rental basis to grow someone's baby, right? Now it's legal in India, right, boss? It's legal in India. And lots of foreigners are coming to India to give birth to their babies, right? To give. Lots of celebrities also coming to India. It has become a small business. Okay, especially they are preferring what? Sir, still confusion, surrogacy, mother. Oh, key column, boss. The candidate key column whose values are dynamically generated by underlying database software or underlying application without having any business meaning is called surrogate key column. Someone has to give. End user cannot supply them. They should be generated by underlying database software or underlying what? Application. Got it, guys? We cannot enter directly. You cannot directly enter value. Someone has to give. That means getting value from someone else, not from the user. Someone else, not from the developer. Someone else is giving them. That's why it is called surrogate key column. Understanding my statement? Okay. Transaction ID, ticket ID, booking ID. Got it? Aadhaar number. You don't have any control on Aadhaar number, PAN number, passport number, employee ID. But we cannot say Aadhaar number, right? Aadhaar number is having business meaning. Passport number is having business meaning, right? Email ID, you have a chance to choose, Babu. Just employee number, student number, the transaction ID in the bank. Sorry, username, you will choose the dirty fellow. Username, you will choose na dirty fellows. The candidate key column. The candidate key column whose values will be generated dynamically by underlying database software. Okay, underlying database software or underlying application is called surrogate key column. Surrogate key column. This column values are auto-generated values. Auto-generated values. Either from underlying database software or application. Okay, guys. Examples, Babu. Employee ID, student ID, transaction ID, order ID, booking ID, and etc. Employee ID, student ID, transaction ID, booking ID, and etc. I hope you are understanding my statement. Okay. Note. In Oracle database software, we use the support of sequence to generate the values dynamically. In MySQL database software, we use the support of Auto increment. What guys? Auto increment constraint. What guys? Auto increment constraint. Okay. Auto increment constraint. AI. Generate the values dynamically. Generate the values dynamically. I hope you got it, guys. Okay. Fine, guys. Yeah, either underlying application or underlying database. Okay, look at MySQL, guys. Look at MySQL. I'll go to this. Okay, where is MySQL? Here is MySQL. You go to product table, Babu. Okay, here we got the records. Now go to settings section. Here I am choosing AI, auto increment constraint. Here I am choosing AI, auto increment constraint, Babu. For PID column, I have chosen auto increment constraint. Okay, and now have a look, guys. Have a look now. Have a look. Apply. Done. Apply. Done. Okay. Now come here. Select rows. You insert values in other columns, Babu. 80. Okay. What is that? Sofa. Some price. Okay. Quantity 20. Look at Babu. Look at this. Apply. I am not putting any value in PID. But value in PID will come dynamically or not. Max value plus 1. In the existing value, what's the max value? 1010 plus 1, 1011. So max value plus 1. Suppose I deleted this. I deleted all the values, guys. I deleted all the values. Right click, delete rows. Apply, okay. Finish. Apply, okay, finish. Tell me. Chari, price 8,000, quantity. Tell me what is the next number you will get, guys? What is the next number you will get? 1012. It will remember, boss. It will remember and give 1012. Max value plus 1. Whether that max value record deleted or not, that does not matter. Max value plus 1 will come, right? Max value plus 1 will come. That's a if you fill up in MySQL database software, guys. In MySQL database software, to apply auto increment constraint on PK column. On PK column. On any column, in fact. On PK column. What is that? Right click on product DB table. Product DB table. Next, settings. Settings. Select AI. Select AI. This one, Rabam. AI means auto increment. Apply, okay. Apply, okay. Right, boss. If primary key constraint is not there, AI will not work out. Definitely. Definitely it works. Okay. Next, guys, how to feel it. If we insert values to other columns, Except PK column. Except PK column. PK or AI, PK hyphen AI column. Then the values to AI column will be inserted automatically using Maxwell plus one formula. In fact, it's not max value, previous val plus one. Come on, previous val plus one formula. Previous val plus one formula. Previous val plus one formula. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Previous val plus one formula. It internally maintains the mechanism. That's the speciality of auto increment now, boss. That's the speciality of auto increment, right? Okay. I means auto increment, ra babu. Here, what is this? AI column. AI column. Understood, guys? Yeah, sequence also I will discuss, guys. Now tell me. Limitations of taking PK column as natural key column as PK column. Natural key column as PK column. Right now, boss, value, column values are quite lengthy. Quite lengthy, right? So, more memory is required. So, more memory is required to maintain them. Aadhaar number, they are very lengthy numbers are not, guys. Next, column values will change based on the outside world, business policies. Based on the outside world business policies. Are you with me, guys? Based on the outside world business policies. Understanding? Policies. Modi said add extra number in the mobile number. Add BH in the passport number, right? Add BH for the vehicle number. Outside world business policies. This change may become costly. This change may become costly by affecting other dependent tables, DB tables, and other dependent DB tables and Java classes and relevant Java classes. When column things are changed, guys, everything will change, na boss. Okay. Tell me. These values, column values are expected from end user. End users. Okay. If end user fails to give, the record insertion may fail, right? The record insertion may fail. Okay, guys. And I'll put something like this, Rababu. one day announcement has come. Farmers, come with your Aadhaar cards or Aadhaar number. We will give free fertilizers to you. Okay. Farmers came and stood in the queue morning 4 a.m. itself. One few fathers forgot the what is that Aadhaar number, but they stood in the queue. Whenever each farmer takes the fertilizer, one record insertion should happen, where Aadhaar number is taken as primary key column. So if farmer fails to give Aadhaar number, do you think record insertion is possible? Without inserting value in PK column, can we complete the record insertion? Respond, Babu, respond, dirty fellows. No. Though the computer operator wants to help the farmer, can he really help, boss? Can he really help, boss? Can he really help, boss? No. He cannot really help. So that's why taking natural key column. Natural key column like Aadhaar number, PAN number, mobile number, and etc. as PK column is not recommended. At least you remember, guys, is not recommended. These many days you thought of taking. You thought of taking all these numbers as what? Primary key columns, right? But at least now you have a reason. Advantages of taking surrogate key column as PK column. Surrogate key column as PK column. Yeah. Surrogate key column as PK column. Surrogate key column as PK column. Understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. Column values are, dynamically generated numbers are very short numbers, na boss? Column values are very small. So they don't allocate much memory. Much memory. Okay. Column values will not have any business meaning. Do you think they have any business meaning, guys? Column values do not have any business meaning. Do not have any business meaning of outside world. Business meaning of outside world. Business meaning of outside world. So any change in the column values, does not affect. So 1 minute. So no changes. Takes place in the column values. No changes not expected from end users. Not expected from end users. Because they will be generated by the underlying database software or application dynamically. Underlying database software or applications dynamically. So note, it is always recommended to take recommended to take, what is this? Surrogate key columns as. Surrogate key columns as PK columns. It is always recommended to take surrogate key columns as PK column. Surrogate key column as PK column. Yeah, like what? Surrogate key columns like employee number, student number, transaction ID, booking ID, order ID as PK column. Understood my statement, guys? Got the clarity? So these many days you might have thought, whatever unique, I'll make it PK column. But there is something that we have to evaluate or not. There is something that we have to evaluate or not. Come on. So, yeah, practicals I will show tomorrow. Now onwards, any application while inserting record, we are not going to collect primary key column values from end user. They will be generated dynamically. They will be generated dynamically.